Hello, and today I'll be showing you how to use Umbra Search African American History. Umbra Search compiles resources about African American history from all different libraries and archives into one place. Umbra provides users with pre-curated sample searches of popular topics below the main search bar. So let's scroll down and we'll click on the Underground Railroad. So from here, we can see the search terms that Umbra provided us with in the top box. And if we scroll down, we can see on the sidebar, we have different categories. So we'll start with keywords. If we click more, we can see all the keywords related to this search and select one that we like. So we'll select African American abolitionists. So now we can see up here that keyword African American abolitionist has been added to our search. After that, scrolling down the side, we can filter further by creator, type of object, or contributing institution. There are also several collections that are created through Umbra Search that we can filter by. So as we scroll through our results, you can see at the top, each one is clearly marked, whether it is text or an image. And then it also says the hosting institution that it's from. So if we go and we can click on view, we'll see the object at its housing institution. So in this case, the New York Public Library digital collections. And you can see all of the metadata that has been associated with that object. Returning to the home page and scrolling down, we can see the Discover and Share with Umbra Search section. This section has projects that are created by students, archivists, and artists using the collection. So we'll click on the Life and Times of Haley Q. Brown, and this will bring us to a blog post with the information about that project, including a link to the timeline. So that's just a brief introduction to how to use Umbra Search. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching.